Hey guys, what's going on? It's Preston here from the Legendarium. I got a box today, package in the mail, so you know what that means. It's time for an unboxing. That is my package that I got. I'm trying to find my scissors. Here we go. The package is from Subterranean Press. If you haven't been to their website, check them out. They make some gorgeous books. I've only ordered a couple from there because they can get a little expensive, but they're always so beautiful. And they make a great collection. Great addition to your collection. Let me get put popcorn in here. Just so you can see how good they package this stuff, so you know your book's protected. There was a layer of popcorn on top, and then you've got popcorn going down the sides, foam going down the sides, all the way around. They always make sure that your stuff comes safe. It's not going to get damaged in shipping, no matter who ships it. Let's get this out of here. And as you can see, there is bubble wrap all around the book too, so it is very taken care of. Alright guys, so this is, let's see if you can see this. It comes in a nice solid slip case. This is Joe Hill's Nosferatu and Wraith, I think is how you say it. This is the deluxe edition that they made. There is, my understanding, only 999 of them were made. Each of them are numbered and signed by the author. I'm currently reading this book, but as you can see, the slip case has a nice little design there. Nice little design and title, everything on the spine. Another little nice design on the back. And then when you open this up, the book comes in a nice, it's not really paper, I guess. It's kind of a cloth cover. But it's the front, the spine, and the back. And then we open up the inside of this, guys. You got, on the book itself, right there embossed or whatever engraved, is Joe Hill's sign, other guy's signature. Inside of it, you have a map of Christmas land. Alright guys, sorry about that. Had to take a phone call for work. I was just going to find y'all a few more illustrations that I could show you that are inside of this book. This book is just, it is absolutely gorgeous. I've only gotten, like I said, a couple other books from Subterranean Press. I got Hugh Howey's Wool series. They had hardbacks there that Jason Gurley did the covers for, and they're signed by Hugh Howey and numbered. You can't buy those anymore. They're actually sold out of those. Anyway, here's another illustration in there. And then Wesley Chu did a new little Lives of Teao novella that they published. That's I think they did 1,000 signed by him that I got as well. But those are the only other books that I've gotten from Subterranean Press. But these are just, this book is just absolutely gorgeous. This is by far the best book, the nicest book that I've gotten from Subterranean Press. And at the end of it, after you finish Nosferatu, they have the graphic novel Wraith, which is, I think from my understanding, it's the prequel. So you can kind of see in the spine here where the book ends, where the graphic novel starts. But anyway, I mean, it's just, the book is high quality, gorgeous production, gorgeous binding. There's a bookmark down here so you can mark where you're at reading. Joe Hill's the author. The illustrator is Charles Paul Wilson III. He did a great job with these illustrations. This book is just, if you like Joe Hill, you like just beautiful books with illustrations, this is definitely it. Book weighs about 8 pounds. And then, like I said, the cover's kind of made of like a vinyl almost. It's not your normal cheap paper cover that comes on hardbacks, but see if I can get all this in there. This is what it looks like if you take it out and unfold it. I'm not sure the deal. I don't think Subterranean is the original. It says it's here by IDW, but anyway, this is a gorgeous book, guys. Like I said, I'm in the middle of reading it right now. But anyway, until next time, guys, stay legendary.